In this video I'm going to show you how to do the manual cleaning of the print heads of your Epson EcoTank ET printer where the prints are not coming out, although you have a lot of ink in the ink tank but your printouts are blank. Go to the maintenance. For that you can go to the settings or directly to the maintenance. We have to unlock the print head. For that we have to click on the nozzle jack and then press OK. As soon as your printer will start to print, then we have to unplug the printer. So click on the start, unplug it now, open the printer from one side to get access to the printer inside. Now take the page out that is taken by the printer, as we can see here, and remove it. Inside you will see there is a chamber, and if you see a screw here, you can just remove the screw with the screwdriver. Remove the screw. Remove this cap. It's very easy. You can just lift it from one side and just take it out. Now remove the first nozzle, black one. So that is easy. Also look inside if you see there is a ink inside or not. So we can see the ink is not that much showing up here. Let's go for the next. So you can see the ink is moving in, so there is a ink inside. To get access, that's our last one. Okay. Now we have to remove this plate, and there is an option on the side, so you have to press the handle from one side here. In some printers it also has on the other side, so you have to press there. Once you do that, just remove this section, just move it upside and it will come out this plate. Now we have to unscrew. There are 3 screws here. Just remove one by one. Remove this sheet from here and also take all these pipes out. So this section completely comes off. Lift this up and you will be able to unlock this section. Now take it out. This is our print head. This plate must be cleaned. Take a tissue paper. And if I place it here, you will see, spray some water on the tissue paper and again clean this print head, and you will see all the colors are here, and we are just unclogging it. Gently clean it. Take more water on the tissue paper. While you are doing the cleaning, you will see all the colors will start to come slowly. So make sure you just keep cleaning until you see clear and all the colors are showing up. So we are going to install it back. So place it back. Easy. Just place it with your finger. Now put the all 3 screws back. So it won't take very long. The manual thing is not that difficult. but make sure you don't break anything, otherwise that may cause a problem. Screws will help to place it back in the right position. Once your screws are tight enough, we'll place this plate back. Remember, this side will stay out, and you just have to slide it in here, so there are sides, and press it down to lock. So once you do that, next step is to reinstall your ink cartridges. Now we have to place the ink cartridges back. So start with the black, place it here and press it down. You will hear a lock sound. Then go to the next color. And do it for all 4 ink cartridges. Now place these pipes back, and to do that you have to just start with the black one. So there is an option to place it back here. Do it for all of them one by one. Once we do that, place this plastic cover back on this section. Place this plastic cover and there is a screw. You have to place it on this. Now close the ink chamber from the top. Switch on your printer and now switch it off. So press the power button and then click yes to confirm. Once your printer is switched off, we have to switch it on back, but this time we have to press and hold the power button and the question button until we see the screen. It will display on the main screen run power cleaning. So we are going to do that. Make sure you have enough ink in the printer. Confirm it yes. It's going to take around 10 minutes for this process. So we will also notice how much ink it's going to use. So right now we can see the level of the ink is on this marking. Let's see after power cleaning how much ink is used and how much is left. So we can see the power cleaning is done and it says the print quality will improve after 12 hours. Now click on the OK. Let's check the ink tank, how much ink is used. So we can see the black ink has gone below this marking up to that, and all other ink markings are also gone a little bit down. So still we have a lot of ink left. Let's do a copy. So I'm just going to use this sheet. It has black, yellow, magenta and cyan. So let's place it here and do the printing. This will give a confirmation which color is working, which is not. So go to the copy, press OK and print. You can clearly see all the ink colors are printing normal. So all the 4 colors are there. So this way we can fix the printer that is not printing the colors, or that is printing the blank pages, or some colors are missing and it's only printing in 1 or 2 colors. So this is a perfect solution for this problem. If you do the manual cleaning like this, and in the end if you do the power cleaning, this will make a great combination and your print head will be unclogged, and now you can resume your printing. Thanks for watching.